Hello, hello. This is MK Uswa, your Pidgin English coach. Welcome to another interesting class. How you day? How body? How work? How your family now? I hope say you day well. No wahala. All right. So today I want to talk about a phrase that is very popular in Pidgin English, Nigerian Pidgin English. Is the word wahala. You're going to hear it a lot. I just said it in the introduction. You're going to hear it a lot in videos, in the lingua franca. And wahala means trouble, problem. So when you hear the word wahala, it means trouble, it means problem. And you can use it in so many ways. So here's an example of how you can use wahala. I no want wahala. I don't want trouble. I don't want problem. Or if you're talking to somebody and somebody says he's going to do something, you say, okay, no wahala, no problem, right? So if you want to say no problem, go ahead and do it. No wahala, okay? Wahala, no day. All of those things means no problem, no trouble, everything is cool, and you can use it when you speak with your friends and people around you, all right? No wahala. All right, so that's the end of our simple class. Now, don't forget, if you want to get access to different Pidgin English classes, you want to get an ebook, you want to get an audio, go to pidginenglishschool.com.ng. You're going to get access to different classes, trainings, and if you want one-on-one trainings, you can also get it. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to share with your friends and your enemy. You know what I mean? So no wahala. Make they go till another class. No find trouble. No find person wahala. All right. Talk to you. Bye-bye.